set free for liberty.
Empaka z'okuhayahanyanira obwa Miss Tourism Ankole zitongozibweho kutandika zigenderire kutunguura ebyoburambuzi kurabira omu tekinologiya. Abaishiki 8 nibo bayetaba omu kuhayahanyanira omwanya ogu. Ab'omwaka ogu empaka ezi ziri ahansi y'omusingi gwa AI, ebyoburambuzi hamwe n'ebyobuhangwa. Turyatunga Crispus omu aha mutebeekanisa w'omukoro ogu yashobora kigendererwa ky'okutebeekanisa empaka ezi.
2026 AI, industry, technology, tourism and culture. Ebyobulambuzi n'ebyobuhangwa. Is tourism Ankole okutwagamba n'ebyomu districts 13 za Ankole neguma netayiraho district yona kugira ngu egire ebintu ebyayo ebyobuhangwa ebyobyira kugira ngu abantu bagake kumamba bamanya.
Okurjirana Mugisa Nicholas, Principal Commercial Officer wa Mbarara District, ashobora ku government etiramisho mu kutungura eby'entaasya kurabira mu byoburambuzi.
That as we launch Tourism Ankole 2026, we believe that tradition here meets technology, and we are also sure that beauty will drive Diamond with the digital agenda, the main focus of the day. I want us to be very certain about Uganda's tourism agenda. From government perspective, the agenda is about big, bold and digital.
Mugisa Nicholas yayongera yashaba besimbaho kurebuka ngo bakoresa omugisha ogu okutungura ebyoburambuzi omu ihanga omu miringo yona.
The amount 571.5 billion for tourism development this coming financial year. That is almost at 2% from last year. And that means when you look at what tourism made last year as income, tourism brought in $1.8 billion and 2025-2026 financial year. This year government targets to earn $2.5 billion from tourism.
James Milton ojwekire ofisi ya Town Clerk habwa Mbarara City kandi wabali mjenyi mukuru yasima abo kutebekanisa empaka ezi kurabira mu byoburambuzi ezirahwere mu kutungura eby'entaasya by'ihanga.
Legite kintu kihango ahantasa y'ihangeri kandi ngoku commercial officer district yabagambira ihangeri mu budget ya yorotire mu sente nyingi ezo promotinga tourism abo kugira ngo sente nyingi zo kutahira ihanga zo kurabira mu tourism bweni mbasima korango bitabiremu kandi ba participatinga kandi mbahigangu abirona bitanu byo kwa mushanga tuze ahakenge ya country hotel dentro nde abaraje Ankole competitions ezihanga lyona.
Tracy Amtire omuhaba yitabira mu mpaka ezi ashobora abyagenderire kuhindura mu byoburambuzi.
Naba Miss Tourism bampa chance yo kuba Miss Tourism. Ekintu kimwe ekyamana which I think should be emphasized is that small tourism sites that people do not go for. Umuntu nawasa kumanya Rwenzori, umuntu nawasa kumanya Queen Elizabeth, but people do not know what is within their homes.
Empaka za muheru eza Ankole Miss Tourism niza kubaho 2025 kwezi kwa mushanju 2026. Abo tayari Western Susan alino mukisa omuri Mbarara.